Okay, and we are now live. So, um, hi, I'm Ryan. This is my first live show. so, and just to let you know, I still have that 12-year-old me that got bullied and made fun of is very loud in my head right now. It's, no, the internet's gonna make fun of you. but I'm dealing with that, and some mic visual troubles apparently. So definitely a work in progress here. But this is not a tutorial. This is me kind of going through free Code Camp, which is free for the public to use, and as well I learned to code. So, and I mean I'll be sharing kind of like my process, and how I approach problems, and learning new things, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I've already kind of gone through a little bit of it because I guess some of it was a good portion of it was review, but yeah, just well, let me remove that. That's not necessary. But anyway, so I kind of got to a point where okay, now I'm starting to. Well, I don't know. Anyway, so all right. So specify a function. Let's see. Including. Okay. Yeah. Where's this answer? The front one wasn't available. Okay. All right. So it's just so in order of what's available. Okay. Professor not used. Okay. Blind monospace to the H2 element, which okay, they're talking about C's. Okay, so I'll put monospace. Okay. And then yeah, lobster. Now comment out the import of the lobster font. Okay, instead of just deleting it. Well, I mean that would yeah, just delete it, but would change it to monospace. But anyway, okay, what's a comment in HTML? I haven't done this in I think this is what it is. Oh, oh yeah, it certainly looks that way. And then is that right? Yep. Okay. And that should but it didn't change here. Wait, let me make sure. Yeah, cat photo app is the H2. Okay, that's what. I'm not sure this worked. This worked, but let's see. Run the test. Hey, well, it says I did it right, but that's. I don't understand why this didn't then revert to monospace. That's odd. Okay. Um. All right, moving on. All right, size images. Image that could, okay. Create a class called small. Use it to resize the image so that it's only 100 pixels wide. Okay, all right, let's just make a new thing here. And this is create a class for, okay, dot. Oh, wrong. Let's see. It's only 100%. Okay. Ah. I swear I know I can spell. See, that should be it. And then resize the image so that it's on. Okay, so then somewhere in here. Okay. This equals ZB smaller dash image. Is that it? Oh, wait a second. Hold on. I forgot the quotes. Okay, now that should work. Ah, there we go. Okay, add borders around your elements. Okay, property. Okay, border color is red or width is 5 pixels. Okay, style solid. Okay. Create a class called thick. All right. Thick dash border. Add a 10 pixel solid green border around an HTML. Add the class to apply. Okay, the cat photo. Well, okay. All right. Let's see. Border dash color is border width is not. And it just says solid, right? Yep. Okay. And then I need to add another class here. No, that didn't work. Okay. Class name with this. Oh, it's within the same quote. Okay, got it. I didn't read that far down. Okay, where's the? Oh, there it is. Thick dash green dash border. Oh, you have an extra E in there. There we go. All right. Run the test. And yes. And unfortunately, I'm broke as all get out, so yeah, I can't donate right now. Sorry. So, and then add rounded corners with border radius. Okay. Yeah, because that looks ugly. I mean, I'm just saying. Border radius. Okay. So I just add it to this class here. There's an S, not a Z. There we go. That looks a little better. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's true. there you go. I'd rather just honestly, I'd rather do it this way rather than adding to this one. Well, depending on the project, I guess. Make circular images with a border radius. Okay. Using percentage. Okay. Let's see about making a specific one. Well, it would load it after this one, so it would just, yeah, okay. There we go. Background color to a div element. Okay. Wait, div element. Do I have a div element? I guess it. Yes. Okay, this part. Okay. So the div element, it goes down to, okay, here. Or I'll just. There we go. Okay. All right. Let's see. For example, you want to you put this within the stuff. Okay. It's called silver background with the background. Okay. Yes. I just add this. Okay. Class. Whoops. Yep. Here. Well, you could put it anywhere anyway because it's not going to be altered by anything else. Dot. Oh, no. The silver background is the class color. So it's the name of the class. So dash background. There we go. Set the ID of an element. Okay, so it's just a specific. Okay. ID attribute. Single element, and later you can. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Okay, I didn't know that part. I know that you could. Let's see. Say that. Give this one an ID of whatever. Actually, let's put that. See, ID equals whatever. And then you could add whatever up here, and so that's the idea. But I didn't know it could be something that it could be. Well, I've never used JavaScript, so I mean, it may be something that's just totally obvious for someone that writes in JavaScript, and I'm just okay. Okay, give your form element the ID cat photo. Okay, and then not do anything else. Okay. Oh, jeez, Ryan. I swear I know how to read. Okay, here we go. Okay. Now let. Yeah, it helps when you read the instructions, Ryan. Oh boy. Use an ID attribute to style an element. Okay, here. Okay, this is the part that I was kind of getting to. Okay. It is not reusable. It should only apply to one element. Well, Otherwise, yeah, you could run into problems if you try to. Okay, okay, use the hash. Okay. That could be taken many different ways. Okay. Okay, that's, yeah. Green background. Okay, cat photo dash. And then. Oh, I would never do that. I mean, just from an aesthetics, like, silver right on top of dark green. I don't know. That just looks really weird. But yeah, whatever. Okay, if that's your design choice, fine. I won't be going to your website. Okay. Adding the padding of it. Okay. Yeah, that looks like late 90s website. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay, blue box to match that of the rib. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't very good. Okay. Just the margins on it. Okay. There we go. Okay. Okay, maybe I'm just not understanding the difference between borders and margins. Okay, the border is this black thing, and then okay. So let's okay. Increase the distance between its border and the surrounding elements. Okay, okay. So, all right, I gotcha. Make that match, and then, yep. That probably just pushes it up, right up, pushes it all the way, pretty much maximizes it probably. I mean, just when just reading the words negative margin and knowing what a margin is. Okay, yeah. Yeah, that looks like margin. Okay. I'm just playing with the margin thing here just to get a better idea of what the margin is. Okay. I pretty much eh, it's just something I gotta play with in order to get the right look, I guess. So okay. Wow, you can be that granular. Okay. Interesting. Okay, that doesn't have really any padding. So it's top and left side. Okay. Dash left. Only 20 on the bottom and right. Okay. Different margins to each side of an element. Okay, probably yeah, margin top or right bottom left. Yep. Give the blue box a let's see. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of getting a better idea of what the differences are. So, let's see. Margin dash. And 20px. The only one that's available, Ryan. Jeez. Clockwise notation specify the pattern of an element. Okay. One line. Oh, interesting. Okay. I would prefer the other way, just so you know exactly what you're doing. But okay. You know, half a dozen in one hand, you got six in the other. You know. and left, and then edit, and bottom is 20. Okay, and then 40 on this side. Should be right. Okay, what's wrong here? Oh, there's no, okay, commas. There we go. Okay, yeah. Them commas. Ah, same thing. Okay. In the blue box. And let's see. Give it X on the top and all right, so 20 X and 40. That should do it. Yep. All right. All right, now we're back to this thing. Use attributable selectors to start. Ah, okay. I think I got it here. Use the check boxes. The top margin. Okay. So checkbox. Okay. Oh, whoops. There's single quote. Let's see. 15 pixels. Oh. There we go. That should do it. Yep. Ah, okay. That's what I mean by absolutely. Okay. I can see some problems with this. I mean, in terms of responsive web design, anyway. Because yeah, there's all kinds of different screen sizes out there. Okay. I was gonna say I would not use this personally. Personally, I would just stick to pixels, or maybe I haven't used these at all, so uh, they may be better in terms of when when I talk about responsive web design. So add a page to the red box. Here we go. Okay. That's about it. Yeah. There you go. Simple. Really, hello world, really. Okay. Stop futzing around. Well, yeah, it has hello world, but it's black text on a black background. There we go. Now we can see it. Uh, Monospace, really? Okay. I don't know why. I mean, I wouldn't use monospace on a web page. Personally, I mean, personally, I think the only place monospace is good for is a terminal. I'm just saying, if you want to use monospace as just not very visually aesthetic. Visually pleasing. There we go. It is an aesthetic, but anyway, I'm getting off topic. Okay. Green and pink at the same time. Why would you want them to anyway? I mean, they're, mixing green and pink. Ugh. Yes, so the overriding part of CSS. Okay. All right, dot. Not pint. Okay. And so you replaced it. It does. All right, what's the problem here? Why won't this run? Oh, text, not test. Okay. Fine. I'm like, why is this not working? There, okay. Whatever. I guess it makes more sense, but for whatever reason, I was reading that as test, not text. That's, write something right after it, mostly, you know. Yep. There we go. All right. Dot blue there. It's yeah, that's the blue one. We're not done yet? Okay. I need quotes. I know. Let's see. All right. No. There we go. There we go. Oh, that's right, in the actual HTML. So I'm just going to take this off. Oh, okay, leave the ID on there. Okay. What? Oh, should I make it white? Oh. Oops. I was reading over here. Okay. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and yeah it. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and call this first episode right now. I don't know how interesting this is, so actually I'm gonna take a look here, and nobody's watching anyway. So, yeah. So if you watched this after the fact and made it this far, thank you. So I not sure what I'm gonna do with this going forward, but I at least wanted to get one episode under my belt and get it out there and get all these jitters out. I may postpone this until I'm further along in this process, so it'll be more interesting. I don't know. If you did find this interesting, please post it in the comments. Other than that, yeah, we'll see you in the next video.